Today we're installing a new GL840P in the Graphics Center. It's always great to see the latest technology on a new Komori press.
For this press, because it's a brand new model, it's going to be a practice where, this will be us getting ready for the installation of the machine out in the field.
When customers come in, they want to see the press run at optimal speed and the newest technology that Komori has to offer them for their printing business.
It's a great opportunity for our customers and prospects to come in and view the machine, demonstrate the machine, and then hopefully train on the machine as time goes on.